All right, we're Panama City again. Down here, gonna go fish the bridge. We're gonna throw a couple of lures out. We're gonna do the slow pitch jigging, see if we can't catch some more ladyfish. And we're gonna put them out for bait for big sharks. So it's gonna be another fun one. I got my buddy Dakota to come down here. She met up with me. That's Heart of Exploring. Pretty cool little channel. You should check her out also. And we're gonna get out here, start fishing. She couldn't wait on me. She shot over here somewhere. I'm not sure where she's at, but we're gonna find her and hopefully I can put her on a big fish. I know how you are. I knew you were gonna dip me. I showed up exactly when I said I would. Actually, I'm earlier. I can't help it. You drove up here at like 9 in the morning or 9 at night. Are you? Oh yeah, it's happening, isn't it? You're gonna want to get away from that concrete super quick. Oh yeah, he's hitting it. Just start backing away. Oh no, yeah. Yeah, go forward. Come out this direction towards me. Just keep on going. All right, fight him right there. Did he let go? Oh, was that a crab?
Yeah.
Black drum. Heart of Exploring, everybody, already.
I didn't back off quick enough.
Yeah, that's the hard part. You got to get away from the concrete. That's why I like to anchor and throw at them.
I was rubbing against it.
Yeah, it's fine. I got you on camera. Yeah, oh, believe me, there's more.
Not bites the dust.
It's my boy, Heart of Exploring.
Your boy.
My boy.
Hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
That felt so good.
I'll go ahead. I'm gonna stop recording, let you rig up, and we'll stay anchored.
Just to touch it.
I might let you get on this side of me.
It's my stuff.
While you do that, I'm gonna be jigging, so trying to get me some bait for sharks.
Yeah.
I came prepared.
I didn't be fancy like you, Spot Lock.
You don't want to pay what I paid, though.
What, like 1,000?
Maybe for the motor. Oh, you're still on.
Got shrimp, wild shrimp.
Was that a knocker rig?
Yeah.
A schnocker?
Schnocker walker.
And you, oh, come on.
Get it, boy, get it, boy.
Yeah, he's still there. Oh, no. Oh, he come back. Another one hit. I bet it's a ladyfish.
Get it, boy.
No, he's under the kayak. He's in the motor. He come out. It's a lady.
There he is.
You little.
Oh, you know what I mean? Shark time.
You little jerk, man. I gotta retie the leader now, though.
Let's see that big old catch of yours.
I knew sooner or later one was gonna come by.
That's nuts.
God, he got
Can you
right.
chop that for me?
What's that? Cut it?
Yeah.
Well, which part? Right here?
Yeah. Do you still get excited about ladyfish?
Are you kidding me? They're fun.
I like it too.
They don't fight like a lady. They fight like a drunk man.
I know, they're crazy.
But sharks, they actually like live stuff way better than they do cut up
Really?
stuff. Yeah.
Huh.
They like to cut it up
I
themselves.
would have never known.
You and your uncle gonna go eat with us today?
Sure. Sounds good to me.
You see what I did? I had to do a double hook rig because last time they kept cutting them off right back here.
Yeah.
So this time we got some little extra goodie for them. Goodie. He's not even recording nothing.
Oh no?
Big ladyfish. Oh, didn't mean to do that.
So what happens if you hook up and me hook up?
Well, once I get you away, I'll go off.
You know how nuts I'll be?
It'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
We're gonna be swimming.
We probably will be.
I should have put my big life jacket on.
Oh yeah, I have to. That's all I can do. You got another ladyfish. Oh, good Lord. I got a monster flounder. You got a net? You got a net? Yeah, I might. This is a monster. This is my biggest flounder if we can get him. I think he's barely hooked too. Dude. Oh no, no. I'm gonna back off. Oh, there he goes, he's running. I got it super loose. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him. He's barely hooked.
You got this, you got this.
Oh my God. And he come off. And he freaking come off. I got him. Net save, bro. Freaking squid tricks. Big, giant flounder. That's crazy. I wonder if I can.
Good catch.
Dude.
That's nuts, Patrick.
He hit so light. I wonder if I can hold him like this. I don't want to get my fingers all cut up. And that's, ow, 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 ow. Oh, yep, he's got me. Oh, he's, oh yeah, I'm bleeding.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Did you? Oh, yep. He's running out. You're good, you're good. That's good, he's running away. Woo, Coda! Get him, bro. Get him, bro. Oh yeah, your motor's still on? Oh, let me get my line out the way. You got him, kid, you got him. Yeah, you're good, you're plenty far. Just turn your motor off and fight him. I'm coming over there to help.
Holy crap, what is that?
You got a big old black, no, you got a big redfish.
Are you kidding me?
Giant redfish. Giant red. You could probably, if you have to, loosen your drag a little bit. You got him away from the pylon. I'm gonna come over. Woo! I'm gonna come over. You got no. I can fish. I can fish grip him. Is it barely in?
Yeah.
All right, I'm coming over. I'm coming over. I'm coming. Yeah. They'll tear you up a little bit. You're not gonna lose him. You ain't gonna lose him. You ain't gonna lose him.
Did you get that on video?
Oh yeah, I'm still recording.
This is nuts, Daddy.
I got him.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got him.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
That's a monster. You got a
Let's
pig.
get over to you.
Here, I'm gonna pull you by your leader. Come here.
That is nuts, Patrick.
Hand me the rod.
Right there, that's nuts. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me, Mike. I mean, you gotta be kidding
Dude.
me. You gotta be kidding me.
Freaking monster, bro.
That is nuts. I'm like shaking.
Hey.
Shaking like a tail feather. I love this thing. I don't want to lose it.
Here, I'm gonna give you some slack on your reel. All right. Oh, you're hung up there's what it is. I tell you what, just hand me the. Hand me the rod. Hand me.
Wow.
I got him.
You gotta be kidding me. How long can they stay out of water?
Just a few minutes. You don't want to keep him too long.
Here.
Dude, look at this thing.
I cannot believe this.
She's literally got him in like a leg lock right now. Leg lock.
This is the biggest redfish I've ever caught, Patrick.
I told you you'd love it. And now the cool thing.
Will you take my camera?
Oh, let me get a picture with mine real quick.
Okay.
Can you? That doesn't really do him too good a
I'm
justice.
shaking like a tail feather.
Hold on, watch your camera. All right, now let me get your camera real quick.
Here. I'm gonna stand up, okay? I'll back away from you some.
All right. Do I take a picture with the red button up here?
Yeah, huh?
Okay.
No, not the red button, the black one.
With right here?
You'll hear it. No, yeah, that black one.
Okay.
Let me back away from you. Oh my God.
I caught my biggest flounder ever. You just caught your biggest redfish ever, bro.
Man, this is crazy.
Bro, Tato. So anyway, this is my boy.
This is crazy.
My boy Dakota from Heart of Exploring.
Oh, real boy.
Yo, I'm a real boy. You notice the kayakers are getting closer.
Oh, man. That was amazing. I'm telling you what.
I talked her into coming down here to meet me to fish because we've been hooking so many big fish.
Talked me into it. He finally invited me.
She's been invited before. Don't listen to her. But she put down twice, broke off twice to giants, put down a third time, hooked up on her biggest redfish.
Look at me. I'm shaking.
She's shaking, bro. And she brought a freaking net. She saved me from losing my biggest flounder of my entire life. It may not be the giant like other people catch, but that was like a 22 inch flounder. I've never caught one that big. So
I feel like I'm high.
he was barely skin hooked. I'm still trying to catch a shark.
I just feel so good.
Don't you lose my good scissors.
I know, right? I feel so good about life right
If you
now.
run, I got this other little crab.
I'm like shaky and everything.
If you run out of crabs, I've got this little one. I might just let you use it. Here, put it in your little cooler so he stays fresh.
Okay. There you go. Thank you. Man. I'm hungry now.
You got more fish to catch, bro. All
I know.
right, I'm gonna push you off.
That is nice, Patrick.